There's a date on YouTube's calendar right now that could quietly cut off a huge chunk of a creator's income. Today, we're breaking down YouTube's 2027 Partner Program Overhaul, the biggest change to how you get paid since 2018. And there's one line in the announcement that's going to blindside a lot of Shorts creators. For almost a decade, the creator playbook was simple. Get subscribers, hit the watch time bar, flip on ads, hope the CPMs cooperate. That playbook is officially retiring. Starting February 1st, new creators will need 8,000 qualified watch hours in 365 days, or 20 million qualified Shorts views in 90 days, along with 1,000 subs to unlock ads and premium revenue sharing. If you're already inside YPP, this specific bar doesn't apply to you. But here's the part that actually matters if you're already monetized and leaning on Shorts. If you're already a Shorts-first creator earning ad revenue, there's a second number now attached to your channel, and it's a moving target. Fall below 10 million qualified Shorts views over any 90-day window, and your Shorts ad revenue pauses. YouTube isn't just raising the bar, it's also opening new doors for creators who don't hit the Shorts number. The announcement specifically calls out new incentive paths tied to YouTube shopping, brand partnerships, and trend-based bonuses. Ways to earn that don't depend on a single ad view counter. Premium Lite is expanding to every country where YouTube Premium already exists. That's a brand new subscription pool creators can tap into, separate from ads entirely. Premium Lite revenue is split based on member watch time and views, and creators get a 55% share on long-form content, 45% on Shorts. So a viewer who never sees an ad can still be putting money directly into your channel. YouTube is raising the bar for pure ad revenue access, while simultaneously multiplying the number of ways a creator can actually get paid. Old playbook: get views to get ads to get paid. New playbook: build an audience to keep them engaged, to monetize through ads, shopping, brand deals, premium, and direct fan support. If your channel only survives because YouTube pays you for every single view, you haven't built a business. 2027 isn't just asking creators, can you hit the numbers? It's asking a bigger question. What can you actually build around the audience you've already earned? If you want the tools to actually grow that audience, not just chase the algorithm, that's exactly what we build for at VeeFly. Links below.